This module provided a comprehensive understanding of title insurance in Arizona real estate transactions, emphasizing its purpose, legal requirements, policy types, and the critical role of the preliminary title report. Title insurance serves as a cornerstone of property ownership protection by ensuring that buyers and lenders receive clear and marketable title, free from defects or encumbrances that could threaten ownership or financial security. At its foundation, title insurance is a unique form of indemnity coverage designed to protect against past events rather than future ones. Unlike other forms of insurance, which guard against potential risks, title insurance defends against losses arising from existing title defects that were undiscovered at the time of purchase. These defects might include forged deeds, undisclosed heirs, recording errors, or unpaid liens. By addressing historical risks, title insurance provides both peace of mind and legal defense for property owners and lenders. Under ARS, however, GAR 20 to 1561 through 20 GAR 1592, title insurance in Arizona is heavily regulated to ensure integrity and consumer protection. The Arizona Department of Insurance and Financial Institutions, DFI, oversees title insurers and requires them to conduct a thorough title search and examination before issuing a policy. This statutory process ensures accuracy, transparency, and compliance with state standards. Title insurers must investigate the property's chain of title, identify any encumbrances or clouds, and disclose all findings in a formal preliminary title report, a critical step before the final issuance of insurance coverage. The module also explained that there are two primary types of title insurance policies: the owner's policy and the lender's policy. Each serves a different function and protects distinct interests. The owner's policy protects the buyer's ownership rights against defects, encumbrances, or competing claims that predate the policy's issuance. It typically lasts as long as the insured or their heirs hold an ownership interest in the property. The lender's policy, by contrast, protects the financial institution's mortgage interest, ensuring its lien holds valid priority against other claims. This coverage remains in effect only until the loan is paid off or refinanced. These two policy types complement one another. The owner's policy defends the buyer's equity, while the lender's policy secures the lender's financial position. In Arizona, it is customary for the seller to pay for the owner's policy and for the buyer or lender to cover the lender's policy, though terms can vary by contract. This dual protection model ensures both ownership and financing interests are secure at the time of closing. Further, the module distinguished between the ALTA standard owner's policy and the ALTA homeowner's policy. The standard policy protects against recorded defects and liens, while the homeowner's policy extends coverage to certain unrecorded risks, such as post-closing forgeries or encroachments. For most residential transactions in Arizona, the homeowner's policy provides the broadest protection available to buyers. A crucial element in the title insurance process is the preliminary title report, also known as a commitment for title insurance. This document outlines the property's ownership, encumbrances, and conditions that must be met before closing. It is divided into several sections, including Schedule A, which lists the property's legal description and ownership; Schedule B, Part 1, which identifies requirements to be fulfilled before issuing the policy; and Schedule B, Part 2, which outlines exceptions, items not covered by insurance, such as easements, covenants, or restrictions. By reviewing the preliminary title report, all parties can identify potential issues before closing, such as unpaid liens or unrecorded easements. This transparency ensures that escrow, lender, and buyer act with full knowledge of any limitations on title. Only after the listed requirements are satisfied will the title company issue the final insurance policies. Arizona courts have reinforced the principles governing title insurance through several landmark decisions. In First American Title Insurance Cozy vs. Action Acquisitions, LLC, 2008, The Arizona Supreme Court confirmed that title insurance is a contract of indemnity, not a guarantee of ownership, meaning the insurer is responsible only for actual financial losses covered under the policy. Similarly, in Burkons vs. Ticor Title, Insurance Co. of California, 1991, the court emphasized the fiduciary duty of title and escrow officers to disclose material facts and act in good faith, ensuring that all parties are fully informed of potential defects. These cases illustrate that while title insurance offers robust protection, its scope depends on the policy's terms and the accuracy of the preliminary title report. Through the lens of Arizona law and professional practice, this module demonstrated how title insurance supports the broader goals of fair dealing, transparency, and consumer protection in real estate. A well-executed title process, anchored by accurate title searches and clear reporting, reduces disputes, ensures lawful transfer of ownership, and protects the financial integrity of both buyers and lenders. In summary, title insurance provides protection against past defects and claims, ensuring that title is marketable and ownership secure. Arizona law requires rigorous title searches and disclosure before issuance of coverage. There are two primary policy types: owners and lenders, each safeguarding different interests. The preliminary title report serves as the foundation for these policies, disclosing ownership, liens, and exceptions before closing. Court rulings, such as First American Title vs. Action Acquisitions and Burkons vs. Ticor Title, reinforce the contractual and fiduciary principles that underpin the title insurance process. Ultimately, this module underscores that clear title is the foundation of real estate ownership. Understanding title insurance enables licensees to guide clients with confidence, ensuring that every transaction closes with transparency, legality, and lasting protection for all parties involved.